Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a very beautiful bouquet. First, gather your essential supplies: sharp floral shears, floral tape, and a clean vase. Select a variety of fresh flowers, aiming for 3 to 5 different types with diverse textures and sizes. Before you begin arranging, prepare your flowers by removing any leaves that would fall below the waterline in your vase. This simple step helps keep your bouquet fresh for 7 to 10 days. Now, let's master the spiral technique, which is key to a professional-looking bouquet. Start with your largest, most striking flower as the focal point, holding it gently but firmly. As you add each new stem, place it at a 45-degree angle, spiraling around the central flower. Continuously rotate the bouquet in your hand, adding flowers evenly to all sides. This creates a naturally rounded shape and ensures every bloom gets its moment to shine. To truly elevate your bouquet, strategically incorporate greenery and filler flowers. Greenery, like fragrant eucalyptus or sturdy ruscus, adds essential depth and volume, framing your main blooms beautifully. Smaller filler flowers, such as delicate baby's breath or tiny wax flowers, can then be used to gently fill any small gaps, creating a fuller, more cohesive appearance. Aim for about 1/3 greenery to 2/3 flowers for a balanced and abundant look. For the grand finale, it's time for the finishing touches. Once you're happy with your arrangement, secure the stems tightly with floral tape, wrapping it 2 or 3 times about 2 inches below the flower heads. Next, trim all the stems to an even length, ensuring they will comfortably fit into your chosen vase without touching the bottom. Finally, place your beautiful creation into a clean vase filled with fresh water and a packet of floral food. Enjoy your stunning, handcrafted bouquet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.